If you're experiencing an installation loop with Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Restart your computer to clear any temporary files or processes that may be interfering with the installation. Step 3. Disable antivirus software. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software that might be blocking the installation process. Remember to re-enable it after the installation is complete. Step 4. Run installer as administrator. Right-click on the installation file and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam, go to your library, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the loop. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.